Next on Scratch coding cards from MIT, we have grow and shrink activity. So here in this particular activity, we have to go to the backdrop and take the backdrop as theater 2. From the choose a sprite, we have to take the drums tabla. And this is the instruction set that we have to give to this particular sprite. I'll maximize this for you. So these are the instructions basically that we are going to give to this particular sprite. And once you click on the drums, it's going to play this particular sound. Now let us begin this particular activity by opening our Scratch application. You can simply double click on this and the application will open for you. You can press enter key from the keyboard also in order to open this application. And we have to go to the sprite library. We need to search out for drums, and here you can see drums tabla. So we can take that on the game stage. We not required for the cat sprite. We can delete it from the backdrop. From the search box, look out for theater and you will find this particular option as theater 2. Once you click on this, it will be visible on the game stage like this. And now is the time to add instructions. So from the events category, first instruction, when this sprite is clicked, that means when you're going to click on the drums, something should happen. So here we are going to take the repeat block, and instead of 10, we will give the value as 2. That means it should repeat what particular set of instructions 2 times. So we need to give the instructions that it has to repeat. So we are going to say that it should grow in size. So we will say that set size to 100%. Instead of 100%, make it 125 to make it a little bit bigger in size. And we are going to play this particular sound. There are multiple options. We are going to take the first one. And from the looks category, we will reduce the size once the sound is played. So that means get back to the normal size. And here you can see that once we are clicking on this tabla, so it is playing drums for us.